And we're here today at Epic Jobs to see all the cool jobs that they have here.
On the fire halls as well.
This is called Epic Jobs, and they're trying to get the kids an idea of what the skills trades is all about.
Half of the 2,000 students in attendance load into the auditorium at the Sanderson Center to listen to different speakers talk about their experiences with work in the trades.
I'm Abby.
Hi, Serena.
I'm Natalie. And we're here at Gretzky Center with the Epic Jobs.
At the Gretzky Center, the other half of the students interact with over 40 hands-on exhibits showcasing the many different pathways into trades. They switch halfway through the day.
Nobody told me about apprenticeship pathways when I was in school, and I spent years trying to find what I wanted to do without going to college or university. And so the opportunity to learn about apprenticeship to me is so important. They need to know that not everybody has to go to college or university to have a successful career, and apprenticeship offers an alternate opportunity that's very lucrative and pays really well and offers an amazing lifestyle.
Edge Factor is all about using stories to then extract teachable moments and really help students get some of those foundational things that will be useful no matter whether they're going into a co-op, apprenticeship, maybe they're going into a 2-year, 4-year degree, who knows what the future is, but these are foundational things they need.
What are the things that you're most excited about seeing here today?
It was really cool getting to see when they were laying the cinder blocks. What kind of things do you guys do?
What kind of things?
Yeah.
Do you have lights on in your house every day?
Yeah.
Those are the kind of things we do.
The one thing that I think most people liked was the sense of accomplishment that they got by doing this kind of work, especially with their hands.
That's only half of it.
Only half.
Can you imagine that these big heavy machines that carry around trees and cut them down and all that stuff, that happens right here in Paris.
We're mechanics. Our job is to maintain all the trucks, the fleet, the facilities, and all the equipment.
Lots of female farmers who are operating. We were just a small number of women in trades, and now it's just growing, and I'm seeing more young women step up and get into shop classes and start taking on apprenticeships.
What careers have you seen that interest you?
Carpentry.
Carpentry?
They're dropping balls into buckets. Did you see that?
Yeah.
Have you tried that yet?
Not yet. I'm excited to try that.
Whoa.
Time that we're messing with a transformer.
Whoa. It's roomy. Look.
What our problem was is we had jobs, but we weren't training for them to connect. So now we've got businesses coming together with education and saying, here's the bundle that gets you your job.
It tells us there's so many jobs in our community, and some of them you may not have thought about, but I hope after today you'll think about it.
I learned a lot of new things that I didn't know I could ever do. This place is actually really cool.